Hi, my name's Chrissy from the Lindycharmschool for Girls. Today we're going to be doing a 1940s classic hairstyle on my beautiful model Katie, and we're going to incorporate some victory rolls but also a really nice Veronica Lake twist at the back and falling away with curls and a ribbon. So I'll be showing you today the essential tools that I'll be using, and there's only a couple, and first and foremost is the essential setting lotion. This is going to hold the curls, create the shine and still have the bounce. The wet brush, it's awesome for detangling. You're going to be able to brush it all out so it's all nice and easy to work with from the start. Some Poodle hairspray, which will keep a really nice hold but also be able to have some bounce and yeah, look quite natural. So I'm going to separate the hair from the ear, and I really get a nice clean part. Just get that out of the way for now. We're going to use hot sticks today, and that way in a very short time we're going to get really nice curls to create the back of the look. So I'm taking small sections because I'd like really good tight curl. I always start from the middle and then I work around to the sides as well. Now I'm making sure that these tails are well tucked in, because if they're not, you'll end up with little squiggly bits at the end, and that's not a nice finish. Rolling really tight, and then we close it up. You can see that I've got 4 in here and I've got 5 down. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so now I've done completely, if we get Katie to turn around and show you, the back of her hair is all in hot sticks. Really nice tight curl, setting lotion. We'll let them sit and cool down, and then we will finish the top for you. So basically I want to start with the front. Nice coat of setting lotion. Make sure you always comb it through. So once you're happy with that, I take a medium-sized hot roller, pull the shaft and roll really firmly. Don't be sort of soft with your hot rollers. Make sure that you're pulling the hair and rolling in. Keep the hair within the space of the roller. You don't want it falling out on the sides. And clamp it closed. It's about just creating heat, getting heat into the setting lotion so it sets. So I'm rolling forward. So that's Katie's hair all rolled up. So we're going to come back in a minute, take it all out and then wrap it into a style for you. So now we're going to take Katie's hair out. I just want to show you what a hot stick curl looks like. See, it's got that nice ringlety bounce. When I take them out in the direction I want the curl to go. Take your rollers out, let the hair cool before you start to brush out. I'm going to separate the front again, just so it's out of the way, and I'll do the back first. You'll see how the curls have fallen at the back. I want the hair to be all nice and flat, shiny and no curl. Now instead of brushing these curls out, because I want them to be a little bit tighter, just using our fingers just to separate them. Okay, so while that's just sitting in place, I want to do the front rolls. These are going to be 2 rolls symmetrically, half and half, so we want to find the right here. So split it in 2, and I want to take 2 front sections out because I'm going to do 2 little pin curls at the front as well. We'll just wrap this and get it out of the way because we'll pin curl that last, and that way we have this section here to do her 1 victory roll, and then we'll have another section here. Having some structure at the base will help the hair to stay up and it'll be lighter, so you'll get a fullness. I don't want to tease at the front, I want to tease at the back, and it's just at the root. Give it a light spray at the base. It's about that much. So I go from the tip of the ear, a nice part, to the top of the scalp. And now what I want to do is I want to wrap it lightly around my fingers. I want to then bring the hair, so therefore I'm bringing my arm to the front. And what that does is it closes in the back. And see how I'm laying my hand down? I'm getting a really nice sweep here. So I'm bringing it to the center. Get the pin and you want to put it on the inside of your sweep. Run it along the scalp. It's nice and secure. Preparation will be the key. Nice and firm. Teasing at the back. A little spray. Get your smoothing brush. So rolling it around your fingers and bringing the hair forward. And that way it closes in the back. Alright, so a true victory roll is where both of your sweeps meet to form the shape of a V. So if I put Katie's hair all the way down, you can see that it's a nice V shape. So just grabbing a little bit of grooming cream, which we also sell on our website. It's an oily based cream. You want to put it on the teeth of your comb and pick up all the hair and just comb it. This is pretty nice and shiny. The cream is giving it a nice shine as well. So now we want to do these two little ones at the front. I wrap them around my fingers like I'm doing a pin curl, and I'm wrapping them in, and I want to pin them here. I'm going to take two sections and twist them in. A section each side like this, and I just want to roll it in, just twisting it nice and neatly to here. Now to finish it off, I have a piece of velvet ribbon underneath the hair. So now we have our finished look. Our classic 1940s style with curls and ribbon at the back. Would you like to turn around, Katie, and show the girls? Finished into a V with her two victory rolls, nice full bounce, and finished with a ribbon.